Welcome back to applelnsider, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in smartphone innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most futuristic devices ever made, something that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Vivo Drone Camera Phone. Yes, you heard that right. A smartphone that literally lets its camera fly. Vivo has pushed the boundaries of what's possible, and this phone isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. So sit tight as we explore everything this incredible device has to offer, from its jaw-dropping design to its sky-high features. Let's begin. Number 1, Design and Build Quality. Vivo has always been known for pushing creative design, but this time, they've gone beyond imagination. The Vivo Drone Camera Phone looks nothing like a typical smartphone. Its body is sleek, futuristic, and incredibly refined. The moment you pick it up, you can feel how premium it is, lightweight yet solid, with an aluminum frame that feels both strong and elegant. But the true magic lies in its design innovation. Hidden within the top section of the phone is a tiny drone module, seamlessly integrated into the chassis. With just a quick tap, it slides out and takes flight, transforming your phone into a flying camera system. The engineering precision behind this is astounding. The module is ultra-compact, yet houses multiple rotors, a high-resolution lens, and even built-in stabilization technology. The phone itself features a matte glass back that resists fingerprints and offers a premium grip. The camera housing blends beautifully with the overall design, and the curved edges give it a modern, symmetrical look. Vivo's attention to detail is evident everywhere, from the tactile feedback of the buttons to the precision of the speaker grills. Even with the drone module included, the phone remains surprisingly thin and well-balanced. You can tell that Vivo didn't just create a gimmick, they created a piece of technology art that feels futuristic yet practical. Number 2, Display. When you first turn on the Vivo Drone Camera Phone, the display will absolutely mesmerize you. It features a 6.9-inch AMOLED QHD Plus display that's bright, vibrant, and unbelievably smooth. The bezels are almost invisible, creating a truly immersive edge-to-edge experience. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, everything from scrolling to gaming feels silky and responsive. The colors pop beautifully, blacks are deep, and HDR10 Plus support makes watching videos a pure delight. Whether you're editing drone footage or streaming your favorite movie, the visuals are crisp and lifelike. Vivo also focused on eye comfort, with adaptive brightness and advanced blue light protection. The outdoor visibility is excellent too, thanks to its peak brightness of over 1,800 nits, making it perfect for shooting under sunlight. The screen is protected by the latest Gorilla Glass, which gives extra durability against scratches and drops. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and